Padaik tā, red lorry, yellow.
Okay, mēs esam apakaļ Rinalds Rīciņa šovā. So, mēs pieaicināsim, ir gatavs desiņš, jūs redzat, jā? Visi publika redz, desiņš ir gatavs. Mēs pieaicināsim Theodore. Theodore's, what was your surname?
Hardwood.
Hardwood, yeah, he's Hardwood. Here's your... Oh yeah,
Ketchup.
Šis ir vislabākais ketchups, you know, vislabākais ketchups Tesco ketchup, you know, okay?
28p!
Okay, mēs paņemam tagad mūsu desiņas.
Oh, papala. One papala.
Okay, būs desiņi nokrit.
One more guy in our show.
Jūs redzat, kāds pieprasījums jau viens čals paņem divas desiņas. Okay?
Is Tesco?
Varbūt meiteni gribēs vēl kādu desiņu. Meiteni gribēs desiņu. Viņi paņems. Okay? Atvedu ketchup paļā.
Sorry, mate. Yeah.
Theodore, please open the fucking,
Open the fucking gate.
Fucking know his name. Okay, yeah, it's alright. Peter van Meetney varbūt.
No. He's on diet.
Okay. Okay, Theodore. Yeah. Shade and
Put some. Oh, okay.
Put some ketchup on me. Put some sugar on me. Yeah. It's alright. Oh. Here's one more guy. You know.
One more guy with the bread. You know this guy?
Yeah.
Martin's Krievs. Is Russia. Yeah. He's in our show too.
Yeah.
Actually.
Tātad viņš ir Mārtiņš Krievs, jā. Viņš ir mūsu šovā iekšā. Garšo desis vai negaršo?
Miltīgi nav labā. Sorry. Rinalds Rīciņa.
Alright.
Can I try some? Sorry.
Ejam uz priekšu. Rekad ir Mārtiņš Staniņš, varbūt grib kāds desis.
Oh, yeah.
Un varbūt Luīza arī gribēs kādu desis. Grib kādu desis vai negrib?
Varbūt
Operators ar paņems.
Jā, operatoram obligāts.
Tev, blēd,
Bet ketchups...
Ketchups is Tesco, so...
Tesco ketchups.
Tesco.
Tesco ketchups. Go straight.
What ketchups? Kur ketchups? Kāda desa?
So you wanna... Do you want some weenie?
With Tesco ketchup? Oh my god, in our
Here's
show!
the ketchup. Yeah.
In our show, these things, no.
Put some ketchup on that shit.
Do you want some...
No.
It's okay, you got the ketchup.
Asiņai nav pakīt.
Tas ir notāji laba maiņa.
And?
Okay, tātad Rinalds Rīciņa shows ir beidzies. Okay, thank you for the...
Thank you for mother, thank you for father.
Paldies par
Thank you.
skatīšanos.
Do you see me? Yeah, okay, thank you.